Hey friends, Anisha here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. For this video, I'm sharing how I gave my old slipper chair a complete makeover, and I absolutely love how it turned out, so I hope you enjoy watching the makeover. So to get started, the first thing I did was assemble a couple arms. I knew right away if I was going to give this chair a makeover, I didn't want to only reupholster it, I wanted to add some arms. So what you see here is me just creating the box frames for the arms, or what will become the arms. And I just did this by just making a very simple box, and then I added some inner supports that will actually attach the arm to the chair. And here's a look at the two arms completed. After that, I flipped the chair over, took off the dust cover that was velcroed onto the bottom, and began to detach the seat from the back of the chair. Once I had the seat removed from the back, I then removed the legs from the seat. And here's a look at all of the pieces. Next, I laid out my fabric. I went with this really soft, like faux velvet velour type of material. I laid that out and then put the back section on top of that and begin to cut out my pattern. From there, I just pinned the fabric all around the cushion and then went to my sewing machine to sew the cover. So here I'm just adding the cover to the back of the chair. I got that all stapled into place, and then I started working on the seat cushion. Here's a look at the finished seat cushion. I reattached the back of the chair, and here is a look at the newly covered chair. And although she looks pretty good here with the new fabric, as I mentioned earlier, I really wanted to add arms just to make it a little more cozy. So from there, I got started on the arms. I started out by adding some webbing to the frame for support. After that, I attached the padding to the arm frame. And once I had it all covered and I felt it was soft enough, I added the slip cover that I had sewn previously. And once I was done adding all of the foam and cushion, I added the slipcover. And from there, I secured each arm to the chair, and that was it. So here's a look at the finished product. I absolutely love how this project turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe before leaving, and I will catch you in another video. Bye!